The internal weapons carriage eliminates the drag of external stowage, allowing for higher performance compared to the external carriage and improving stealth. Combined with a high fuel load, the fighter has a supersonic range of over 1,500 kilometers, 930 br/s, more than double that of the Su-27. An extendable refueling probe is available to further increase its range. In the design of the Su-57, Sukhoi addressed what it considered to be the limitations of the F-22, such as its inability to use thrust vectoring to generate roll and yaw moments, as well as the lack of space for a weapons bay between the engines and the complications of stall recovery if the thrust vectoring failed. The Sukhoi Su-57 is a single-seat, twin-engine, stealthy fifth-generation multi-role fighter jet developed in 2002 for air superiority and strike operations. The S-57 Velon is a fifth-generation stealth fighter jet developed by Sukhoi for the Russian Air Force. The Su-57 is designed to compete with the American F-22 and F-35 stealth fighters. The S-57 Velon is a fifth-generation stealth fighter jet developed by Sukhoi for the... The aircraft is a product of the PAK-FA, the Russian Air Force's fifth-generation fighter program. Sukhoi's internal designation for the aircraft is T-50. The Su-57 is planned to be the first aircraft in Russian military service to use stealth technology. Its maiden flight took place on 29th of January 2010, and the first production aircraft are planned to be delivered in 2020. The fighter is designed to have super cruise, super maneuverability, stealth, and advanced avionics to overcome previous generation fighters as well as land and sea defenses. The Su-57 is intended to replace the MiG-29 and Su-27 in the Russian Air Force. Prototypes and initial production batches will be delivered with a highly improved variant of the Lyulka AL-31, the AL-41F1, as an interim power plant. An advanced clean sheet design engine, currently designated Sideline 30, is in the final stages of development and is expected to be available after the mid-2020s. The aircraft is expected to have a service life of up to 35 years. The Su-57 is intended to be a fifth-generation multi-role fighter and the first operational stealth aircraft for the Russian Air Force. The Su-57 is stealthy, super maneuverable, capable of supercruise, incorporates a large amount of composite materials, and features advanced avionics such as an active phased array radar and sensor fusion. The aircraft has a blended wing fuselage and incorporates fully moving horizontal and vertical stabilizers. The vertical stabilizers are inward firing to serve as the aircraft's air brakes. The aircraft incorporates thrust vectoring and has an adjustable leading-edge vortex controller, LevCon, designed to control the vortices generated by the leading-edge route extensions, and can provide trim and improve high angle of attack behavior, including rapid stall recovery if the thrust vectoring system fails. The sophisticated flight control system and thrust vectoring nozzles make the aircraft stable on takeoff and highly agile in pitch and yaw. This allows the aircraft to perform very high angle of attack maneuvers, such as Pugachev's Cobra and the Bell maneuver, along with flat rotations with little loss of altitude. The Su-57 has a climb rate ranging from 330 meters stat-s, 100 ft at-s, to 361 meter at-s, 1,080 ft at-s. Weapons are housed in two tandem main weapons bays between the engine nacelles and a smaller, protruding triangular section bay near the wing root.